culture, and the other one I'll call the innovation culture. In the status quo culture, which means we like things the way they are now, we love predictability. We want to know exactly what the revenue stream is going to be. We want to know exactly how many members we're going to have. We want to know exactly what the budget's going to be. We want to know exactly how much everything is going to cost. Not very realistic, but that's what we want. We love things that are familiar to us. We love things that we already understand. We have this notion of core competence, where if we're good at it, we're comfortable, and if we're not good at it, we stay away from it. We require a success rate, etc., etc. So you can see the list coming on. So, in your worksheet package, the second page is the innovation culture table with the right side conveniently not filled out, because I'd like you to spend a few minutes doing that now. So again, if you're in this room, please pair up with somebody. If you're in a room where there's another person, pair up with them. If you're not, I'm sorry, you can do it by yourself. And it's not a question of there being a right answer to this. It's not like whatever I wrote in the right-hand column is correct and whatever you might choose to write is not correct. It's simply a way of framing a question. And as I said when I introduced this, it's a caricature. Because there is no organization which is 100% on the left side, and there's no organization which is 100% on whatever word you choose to put on the right side. But I'm wanting to call your attention to these qualities and characteristics because, by and large, organizations that are innovative do not measure themselves according to these 16 characteristics. They measure themselves on the right side of the ledger. So, again, just for fun, take a few minutes, see how many of you can get. We're not going to take time to do the whole thing just because we don't have that much time. But again, it's a way for me to ask you a question. How much is FDCA like the status quo culture? How much is it like the innovation culture? And we can think about how do we need to move the organization to be more innovative by moving from left to right.